All right, time has come. Got the Corbin seat in. Ordered it on the 2nd of October. They said 3 weeks, and it came in 3 weeks. I got an email just saying it was going to be delivered, and here it is. I'm excited to see if it's what I ordered. I already opened the box, so it's not an unboxing, and it's not a review yet or an installation yet. Just gonna open up the bags and check these seats out. So they package it really well. They mold this foam around it. Yeah, let me put this box back. So what I ordered was, I got the solo seat. This is for the Indian Scout bobber. I got the solo seat. And the touring pillion seat, which is supposed to be, it's a little bit larger, and it accepts the backrest also. So got that. And one backrest. I didn't feel the need for two because if, you know, Sarah's not riding with me, I can just swap it over to the solo seat, which also accepts the backrest. Alright, so let's open the solo seat. What I ordered was, I printed out my little invoice here. Classic solo seat, Indian Scout bobber. Black leather, diamond stitch pattern, heavy black stitching, white Corbin logo, black stud band, no studs, no welts. So yeah, the welt here is, I guess, what they call the piping, but I didn't want that because I guess it kind of can dig into your leg and stuff, so I didn't get it on the pillion seat either. Because I didn't want no offset color or anything, so I just went with no welts. Alright, so this solo seat here, $443, minus $49 veteran discount. Pillion seat is $333, $299, well, $33 off for the veteran discount. And the backrest, oval backrest standard, which is freaking insane because it's tiny little backrest, $243. $24 discount with the veteran discount. So a total of this stuff that's supposed to make life so grand, $1,012.10. $50 shipping. Kind of been cool if we could have shipping free, but nothing's free, right? Alright, let's open up this solo seat. Bagged up really well. Handle your new Corbin saddle with care. Avoid contact with any hard surface. Do not drop or stand on end. Vinyl can tear easily at base pan edge. Alright. Whew! That's got a strong smell to it. It's like all the adhesive and glue and whatever, but the accessory pack. Locking mechanism. Alright, so I ordered all black, diamond stitching, black stitching, solo seat. And that looks like what I got. Corbin in white. I don't see any flaws at all. I mean, it looks perfect, which it should. But you know, things can happen. So in here you got the keys, instructions, hardware, all that for installation, man. This thing it's got some good weight to it. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, that's solid, man. I just placed it on a hard surface. Yeah, and here was where it accepts the backrest. I guess you could get it without that, but why, right? Alright, so there's the solo seat. Let's open up the Pillion Seat Touring. Which is, I can already tell, it's a lot larger than the stock passenger seat. I mean, they package it really nice. So on the bottom we got the 4 screws and washers, Allen screws to mount it. Alright, we got no welds, black, diamond stitching, black thread, just what I ordered. And boy, is that wide compared to the stock. I mean, yeah, we're talking, I think stock is about, I'm just going to say it's about that wide. So this is a lot wider and really, I mean, soft compared to stock. And of course it's longer too. And I assume it has this to accept to be able to accept the solo seat. So, yeah. I don't know. I think it's gonna be awesome. They're so soft. I probably should have got the Corbin. I don't know what they call it. Saddle butter, saddle lotion, saddle shit. I should have got that and applied it right away. But you know, I'll do that later. The bike's garage kept. Not gonna be sitting out in the rain or anything. All right, backrest. You know, they probably just, that was 3 weeks. I mean, they don't have that in stock because, you know, you customize basically what you want and you have all your choices and they don't just have them all on hand. So they have to make those, but I'm sure this is just sitting there. They just have several of these made. And, yeah, that's a backrest. That's nice and soft too, but it really solid back. And I'm glad that the mounting fucking deal here is black and not chrome or something. Because every time you see them in chrome, I always see these in chrome on Harleys and stuff, and this is all freaking rusty and chipped up and crap. At least black, I mean, I can just hit it with paint later if I needed to. So, yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Guess I could do this right. If I'm gonna do it right. So yeah, and we got the screw and all the Allen wrenches for the backrest. Instructions. That's just not gonna look right on the solo seat. It just has to go on the passenger seat. Which a lot of you are probably like, how can you put that fat ass passenger seat on that bobber? Well, I like to ride with my wife. And she needs a comfortable seat. Anyway, there it is. There's the passenger pillion seat. The solo seat and the backrest. And it will be installed this weekend. Gorgeous. Smells so new. I could just tell that's going to be heavenly on my tushy. So, if you like this video, click like and subscribe. And stay tuned for installation and then a review of how it feels. And then another review after 1,000 miles. Another review after 2,000. Because they recommend 2,000 mile break-in for it to be soft and supple. We can do that. We can do 2,000 miles to break it in. It's like anything else that's leather. It takes time. But once it's broke in, man. All right. Have a good day.